हेलो एवरीवन। लास्ट क्लास में बेटा हमने ऑलरेडी आपको इन ग्रुप के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था। नॉर्मल, आइसो, नियो, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्सरी। अनदर नेम ऑफ प्राइमरी इज 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री एंड 3 डिग्री। वन ग्रुप में सुपर 1 डिग्री और 0 डिग्री. What is super 1 degree or 0 degree? Then example of a super 1 degree or 0 degree is CS3 free valence. It's a super 1 degree or 0 degree. Definition: if free valency attached with a carbon, free valency attached with a carbon, and this carbon have no any carbon attached with, then it's a 0 degree. This carbon have complete valency by hydrogen, its free valency and no any carbon attached with it. This is group A. So it's a called super 1 degree or a 0 degree. Now equation. Which group is it? Super 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and normal, iso, and neo. First is CS3, second is CS2, CH2, 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 CH2. Third is CS3, CH3, CH2, CH2. Fourth is CS3, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2. Fifth is CS3, CH3, CH3 free valence. And sixth is CH3, CH2, CH3 and free valence. Question is which group is super 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and normal iso and neo? Explain it. First group or first structure is super 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Their answer is a super 1 degree. Why? Because in this structure free valency attached with this carbon and this carbon have no any carbon attached to it. Then it's a super 1 degree. Second, it's a super 1 degree or 1 degree. Then answer is a 1 degree. Why? Because in this structure free valency attached with this carbon and this carbon have only one side, other carbon are attached with, so it's called 1 degree or primary. Another name of 1 degree is here is a normal group. Why? Because in this structure all carbon are present in a straight chain. All carbon are present in a straight chain. Third, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, normal, iso, neo. Then answer is a iso because this carbon attached with a 2-methyl group. This carbon attached with a 2-methyl group and it's a ठीक है इसमें थोड़ा normal, iso or neo? Answer is a neo. Why? Because in this structure this carbon attached with a 3-methyl group, so it's a tertiary or neo. It's a 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Answer is 3 degree. Free valency attached with this carbon and this carbon have 3 sides, another carbon are attached. It's a 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Answer is a 2 degree because this carbon atoms, two side carbon are atoms 2 degree और एक secondary. ओके बेटा, मैंने क्वेश्चन के जरिए आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है सुपर 1 डिग्री, 1 डिग्री नॉर्मल, आइसो, नियो, टर्सरी. इट्स ए टर्सरी और ए 3 डिग्री. इट्स ए सेकेंडरी और ए 2 डिग्री. सेकेंडरी और ए 2 डिग्री. नाउ इंपोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, नॉर्मल, आइसो एंड नियो ग्रुप आर 1 डिग्री टाइप. नॉर्मल, आइसो एंड नियो आर ए 1 डिग्री टाइप ग्रुप. व्हाई? इट्स normal, free valency attached with this carbon and this carbon have only one side carbon, means 1 degree. It's iso, free valency attached with this carbon and this carbon have only one side another carbon, one side तो एमिटर की, तो इसका मीन्स क्या हुआ? आइसो ग्रुप भी एक्चुअल में 1 डिग्री होता है. नेक्स्ट नियो, this carbon attached with 3 methyl group, its free valency, but free valency have only one side other carbon are attached. It means neo is also a 1 degree type group. बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है. 1 डिग्री means normal, iso and neo all are 1 degree type group. तो मैंने आपको सबके सब ग्रुप एक्सप्लेन कर दिए. इनके नोट्स जो होंगे, ये जितने भी मैंने आपको ग्रुप बताए हैं, इनके नोट्स आपको आगे मिलेंगे बेटा. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम जितना हमने पढ़ लिया है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम आगे स्टार्ट करेंगे नोमेनक्लेचर इन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. नोमेनक्लेचर इन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में